Hi everyone, my name is Leah and welcome to the kitchen. I hope you all have been having a wonderful summer. In these last few weeks leading up to the back to school season and Labor Day, if you're still having one of your summer barbecues or picnics, I thought I'd make a great recipe that you can serve one of those events. Today we're making a deviled egg potato salad. Let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need some scallions, salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, fresh eggs, of course, yellow mustard, Dijon mustard, apple cider vinegar, dill pickles, mayonnaise, and some Yukon Gold potatoes.
Add 7 whole eggs to a saucepan. And fill the pan with cold water, covering the eggs by at least 1 inch. Place the pan uncovered on the stove and bring the water to a boil over medium-high heat. Once the water reaches a full boil, cover the pan, remove it from the heat, and let the eggs sit for 12 minutes. Then drain the hard-boiled eggs and run them under cold water to cool. Cut up 2 pounds worth of Yukon Gold potatoes into 3/4 inch size cubes. And place all the potatoes in a large pot. Fill the pot with cold water, enough to fully cover the potatoes. Place the pot on the stove over medium-high heat and cover with the lid until boiling. Then remove the lid, lower the heat, and allow the potatoes to simmer for 10 minutes or until tender. Drain the cooked potatoes and allow to cool. Thinly slice a small bunch of fresh scallions, dividing the bunch up for mixing in and for topping. Finally, chop a ½ cup's worth of dill pickles into small pieces. Slice 2 hard-boiled eggs in half lengthwise and set aside. Remove the whites from the yolks and add 2 hard-boiled yolks to a large bowl. Finally, chop the remaining egg white pieces and whole hard-boiled eggs. Mash the reserved egg yolks until smooth. To the egg yolks, add 3/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of pickle juice, 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, a ½ teaspoon of onion powder, a ½ teaspoon of garlic powder, and plenty of black pepper, and some salt to taste. Then whisk the dressing all together until smooth and combined. To the dressing, add the cooled potatoes, all the chopped up egg, a ½ cup of diced pickles, and the majority of the sliced scallions. Then gently fold everything together until combined and coated in the dressing. Arrange the reserved egg halves on top of the potato salad. Sprinkle on the reserved scallion greens, and top with some paprika to taste.
I hope this deviled egg potato salad will find its way into one of your end of summer or Labor Day barbecues or picnics. I certainly can't wait to enjoy it. If you're interested in my recipe for this deviled egg potato salad, be sure to click the link in the description box below to visit my website, leahnoelcooking.com. There you'll find all my recipes written out, photos, videos, and more. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.